Hi guys, it's BB. Okay, you guys, I've got some lovely happy mail from the beautiful Kelly Santi Designs here on YouTube. I'm so very excited. This is for the collab that both me and Wanda are launching, Wanda from A Day in My World, and I'm so very excited to open up my happy mail. And basically we had to have a thrifted item that we either thrifted or if we ended up getting from, I guess, like a secondhand store or even a garage sale or a yard sale. Something along those lines. And then you essentially make a kit by providing 3 to 5 items to alter it. And so this is what's inside here today. I'm so very excited. I cannot wait to open this. And we have some lovely collabers that are going to be doing this with us, and I'm so very excited to launch this. We will be posting our project share on August 13th at approximately about like 3 p.m. And the people that are in this lovely collab are Jen Davis from Life Mix, Kelly Santi Designs, my lovely partner, Kimberly England, Luna Crafts, Alexander Cruz, Mandalay Cards and More, Gloria Crafts Halls and More, Ladybug Michelle B, it's Paper Glue Y'all, Vagabond Crafter, and both me and Wanda. So I didn't say them all in order and I didn't say them in pairs, but I would hope that y'all go and check out their channels because there's great things to come and they'll be posting their project shares, and that's going to be super exciting to see, and I cannot wait to see what all we come up with. So if y'all aren't familiar with Kelly Santi Designs channel, she does hauls, project shares, thrift flips, and she's a lovely DIY crafter. I'm not sure what I'm gonna find in here. This is our first collab together. Right, I won't keep you guys waiting anymore. She's already done her unboxing and I will link her video down below. Oh, by the way, I thought I should mention that her writing is so pretty. I love how she wrote my name. This is definitely going to be going into my journal. Huge milestone for us, and I can't thank Wanda enough for partnering up to do this lovely collab and to join in with new friends, and huge deal. All right, let's see what we got. I'm gonna just take it out just the way it's packaged. Oh my goodness, I got a sneak peek, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is a huge box. Kelly, what did you stuff in here? She's open. I'm seeing a lot of lovely goodies already. Look at this cute, precious twine and packaging. How cute is this? Thank you, Kelly. Okay, I guess this is the item that I will be altering. Let's see if we have a card. Yes, we do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this on up and have a read. Look how cute she decorated this. She's got this cute little Hello Kitty sticker. And this almost looks like a lemon, but I doubt that's what it is. Look how pretty she writes. I told you guys, she writes so beautiful. How cute is that? All right, let's see what it says. You guys, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous card. I'm seeing this beautiful border die cut here. She put, I'm so happy you are my friend. I'm so glad to have you as my new friend too, Kelly. Thank you so much. This is gorgeous. I love the dragonflies, and I believe her channel intro has some cute little dragonflies. This is stunning, and it's got texture. I wonder if y'all can see that. I wish y'all could feel it. That's beautiful, Kelly. So gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and read it off camera. So she said, BB, happy crafting. This was fun to shop for you. Can't wait to see what you make. Crafty hugs, Kelly. Kelly Santi Designs. Thank you so much for joining in on the fun, Kelly. I know that we're gonna have a blast. This is so awesome. Thank you for that beautiful card. Thank you so much. Kelly, this is definitely going into my journal. All right, so we're gonna start off with this cutie. I'm so excited to open it, and her packaging, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, maybe I can just take it off like this. Yeah, there we go. So let's look at these cute little flowers she's put on here. And then she put this adorable little foam sticker that says bloom. Let's go ahead and cut her open. I typically try to save the tissue paper, and I decoupage it onto my pages for my journal. So I have a little piece of Kelly with me. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a sign. Oh, this is cute. It says, time to bloom and grow. And I love anything that has to do with flowers, so this is perfect. Oh, Kelly, this is so cute. And then it's got some twine on here so that when I'm done with it, I'll be able to hang this up. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. I love it already. All right, let's see the items that I will be using to alter this cutie here. She also had this wrapped with some of this blue tissue paper. So cute and bright, I love it. So we have some cute little jeweled purple trim. This is so adorable. She gave me 2 of these, which that's a generous amount, girl. That's a lot. Oh my goodness. Quite a bit, and I love that. I don't have anything like this in my stash, so this is so cute. Thank you so much. That's crazy. I sent her some flowers like this as well. She just sent me a couple more, I think about 3 more than I did. And these are so cute and bright. Hers were actually like blue and pink. And that's funny that she sent me something pretty similar to what I sent her. So that's really cool. I do love those flowers. Look at the detailing on that. That is gorgeous. I love, 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 love florals. This is perfect. Thank you so, so much. Let's see what's next. We got some metal brushes. I also don't have something like this in my collection, and I don't think I've ever used brushes like this before, besides, you know that glue that you get, well, I don't know, maybe it wasn't good for us to have that type of glue as kids, but I remember having a lid that you twist off, a metal lid, and then stuck on the lid was brushes like this. And that's what it reminds me of when I was a little girl making projects in school. But man, that glue has such a strong scent. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm seeing some ideas now. And then she sent me some lovely butterflies. You know, for you not knowing me all that well, you sure know me. I love these butterflies. How cute are these stencils? These are absolutely perfect, I guess, to paint on or stencil, or just so many things you can do with stencils. So that's super neat. Lovely. Wow, this is cute. This looks like candy to me. Oh my goodness. That's really pretty. I do like that. And we have some paper studio. Are you kidding me? The little butterfly one with some alphabets. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so stinking pretty. Let's open it. So we got it open. Look how cute this is. I don't even know where to begin. This is so much. Okay, these are stuck to the packaging. Let me get it off. I just don't want to tear it. So I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning of the video, because I'm sure a lot of you guys are new here, and I'm so glad that y'all could join me today. And thank you so much for subscribing. It means a whole bunch to me. And if y'all are new, I do refer to you guys as my beautiful monarch butterflies. So this is definitely so BB. This is so beautiful. We got some more of these cute little jewels here. I'm pretty sure that's not what they're called, but I'm just gonna call them little jewels. Live in wonder, follow your dreams, and life is beautiful. These are so stinking cute. And of course there's some more. It says collect beautiful memories. Look at that. That's so pretty. I do love this little globe. No, it's not a globe. Ignore me. And some more of these cute little butterflies in jars. It says you are magic. Enjoy the little things. This is so cute, Kelly. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And there's more, you guys. Check this out. These are the little alphabet letters. There's like little stickers. So cute, and I love the gold. The packaging did mention that it is a 14-piece, but good gosh, I feel like it's more than a 14-piece. I mean, there's a lot in here. Look at these beautiful papers. Girl. These are so cute. So we get 2 of the same kind. Yes, 2 of the same kind. Here's the second one. Look how cute that is. I love the flowers in the background, and I like how it glimmers with that gold. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at this pink one. I love this little blush pink. Almost reminds me of like the stamps that you take, like it looks clear, but then you take like a little heating tool, and then the gold appears on it, or whatever color you choose. That's what this reminds me of. And these papers are so stunning. Ooh, look at this one. Look at all the stars on this cutie. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. There's more flowers, you guys. How pretty is this? And those are the last two. This does not seem like a 14 piece to me. There's gotta be, let me count this, because I feel like this was a whole lot more. Huh, okay, so I guess it was. I guess it was 14 pieces. I don't know, it just seemed like it was quite a lot. Let's move on to the next one, because we still have this little guy right here, and I'm very curious to know what it is. Oh my gosh, what could it be? I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Oh, it feels heavy. Oh, it's paint! It's paint and Mod Podge to set everything into place so that it doesn't budge. How thoughtful and sweet is that? Thank you so much for these. All right, so just to, ooh, it'll stick to my finger. So just to recap, you guys, this was a lot of stuff that she put into this lovely box, and I cannot wait to see what I can do with all these cuties. She gave me a very generous amount and a lovely variety to work with to make this project possible. And this collab couldn't have been possible without you guys, you lovely ladies, and I'm very excited to kick this off and see what everybody comes up with. And Kelly, for you not knowing me, you sure picked some beautiful items that I definitely am in love with. These are so cute, and I cannot wait to work with them. Are y'all seeing any ideas just based off of this? I'm very excited. All right, you guys, that is all for today. And if you are new to my channel, I would definitely hope that you consider subscribing, or if you just stop by, hopefully maybe you'll see another video in the future and then consider it then. All right, you guys, I hope y'all have a lovely day, and y'all take care. Bye, guys, and stay tuned to see all the projects, okay? All right, bye.